The way to chop your garlic, blade of a knife, ball of your palm, just press down. Right, the peel is very dry, so it's easily removed. Just pull the flesh away. Bring them together and then hold secure onto the cutting board. Just do a rocking motion, knuckle resting on the knife blade. Okay, when you come to the small bits, bring them together. Okay, push all to the center and then do a rocking motion. This is chopping here. If you want to get as much juice from the garlic, what you can do is you use a knife blade and you press top of the garlic onto the cutting board and slide towards you. By doing so, you're actually releasing all the garlic juice. The more you do this, it will eventually become a garlic paste. It's a repeated motion. This is your garlic paste.